You're at the bar, you've had a lot to drink, you go out to your car and you think, I probably shouldn't drive. Can I get a DUI if I just wait it out here? The answer may surprise you. Hi, I'm Justin Kalamkarian with Liberty Law Group, and this is this week's Liberty Law Brief. Now, it's cold here in Lincoln, Nebraska when I'm filming. It's about 2 degrees outside. Every year, every winter, we get calls from people that were in that exact same scenario. They're at their friend's house, they're at the bar. They make the responsible choice not to drive home. They don't want to freeze to death, so they turn their car on and they sleep for a couple hours and then drive home. The problem is, well, that's their plan at least. The problem is, can you get a DUI if you're sleeping in your car or waiting it out in your car? The answer is very possibly yes. Now, in Nebraska, you can be guilty of driving under the influence if you are in actual physical control of a motor vehicle. Now, that doesn't mean you have to be actually driving. If you are on public property, like a street, or you're on private property that's open to public access, like a bar parking lot or a store parking lot, you can actually get a DUI even if you're not driving. Now, where we see this is that typical scenario I just talked about. Somebody waits in their car, it's cold, they turn on the heat, turn on the engine to turn on the heat to warm them up, and somebody calls it in or cops come. Now, if you're in the driver's seat with that car running and you can easily put the car into drive, easily release your foot from the brake or whatever it is, you are going to be deemed very possibly to be in actual physical control of that motor vehicle. So what should you do? Number one, don't drink and drive. Have a plan, okay? Take an Uber. There are Ubers everywhere. Get a cab, call a friend, do something else. If you absolutely have to be in your car, change seats. Go to a passenger seat. Go to the back seat. And just remember, if the vehicle is running and you are able to control that vehicle readily, you're in the driver's seat, you could very possibly get a DUI. So change seats, call a friend, and make sure that the vehicle isn't running with you in the driver's seat. Be safe. Don't drink and drive. Make those responsible decisions. But bad things happen to good people, and people sometimes make mistakes. If you or a loved one find yourself in that situation, give us a call at the Liberty Law Group. A link to our website is in the description. And again, I'm Justin Kalamkarian with this week's Liberty Law Brief. Be safe. Thank you.